Here's how to watch Instagram Reels in full screen for a cleaner experience. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Instagram and open its app page. If you see an update button, tap on it to update Instagram. Once Instagram is updated, exit the App Store and open the Instagram app. And tap on the Reels icon from the bottom menu. Here you can see the distracting elements while the reel is playing. Next, tap on the two lines icon from the right side menu. From here, tap on Playback, and then select View Full Screen. You'll notice that all the extra content disappears, allowing you to see the reel in full screen. If you tap on the two arrows in the bottom right, you will go back to the normal view. Repeat the same for other reels as well. And that's it.